Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first time to go on a cruise, princess cruise. It's so big, it's huge. Here guys, we're just outside waiting to go board on the we are waiting guys here to go board on the cruise. I'm gonna take the entire tour on this cruise, so guys, be patient, watch with us. I'm gonna take everything which is inside. I'm so excited. I don't know what's inside, but I'm just curious to share everything with you guys. Keep watching. Guys, almost boarding. So excited. You cannot imagine how excited we are. This ship is super big. Oh my god. Guys, we have just entered. Oh my god, so beautiful. You can see this is my mother-in-law ahead of me. So we are looking for our rooms. We have our medallions, of course. I'll be sharing in my next video about the medallion, how we use it. So these are the people who work on the cruise, so they really showing us where to go to find our rooms. Guys, heading to our room. Long ways to go. Guys, here we found our rooms. So exciting. They're super nice, very clean. The TV inside the rooms is the one we use to order our food and know the events. You saw my kids like so excited. You guys keep watching with us. Guys, this is our greatest room. So far we have found on the cruise. You can see, and next to it we have the library, which I'm gonna show you really soon. Guys, this is the library. They have a bunch of books. You can go there, sit, relax, and read. Wow. People. This is so beautiful. We're at the music room. My daughter is wondering where we are, of course. She's like, Mommy, what are you doing here? But so exciting, guys. So this is the piano room, sometimes the music room. So this person is playing the piano for us and we're enjoying. So every day they do music. So I hope guys you enjoy with us. This is the casino, guys. Tour around it. So I'm gonna show you everything in the casino. Thank you. The casino, guys. So this is one of the shops inside the cruise. So they have clothes for kids, for adults. They have bears, they have gifts. So we managed to buy some t-shirts from the cruise and a mouse for my son. Guys, this is the gym. It's nice out here, so we're hoping to come in the gym every day, do some exercise. I cannot wait. That's my family, you see, you saw there. So guys, enjoy. Oh my gosh, this is the gym. Good.
Okay.
Wow.
Watch out, honey.
This for example, this is our herbal forties. 10 herbal forties have 8 different kinds of herbs that penetrate inside your body. So it's healing.
Good.
Nice. So of course, you
And now the secret how to relax in the spa.
That's why I brought you good day. Thank you.
Guys, this is part one of this video, so I'm gonna do part two. Don't miss it out. Please click on that notification and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, we're on the top of a cruise. Let's see outside, so beautiful.
Don't think about it, just move your body.